Class 3, Subject EVS, Chapter number 14, Birds. Answer the following questions. First one, write any 3 features of birds. Answer is, 3 features of birds are: first one, birds need food to survive. Second, birds do not have teeth. Third, birds have beak and claws. Second question, how do birds fly? Answer, following features help birds to fly. First one, birds have a boat-shaped body. Second, birds have hollow and light but strong bones. Third, birds have wings. Fourth, birds' tail help to change direction. Third question, in what ways are beak useful for birds? Answer is, the beak of a bird is ideal for the kind of food it eats and also help in making their house, that is nest. Next one, fourth, birds have different types of feather. Explain. Answer, there are 3 types of feathers. First, down feather keeps a bird warm. Second, body feather gives shape to a bird's body. Third one, flight feather found on wings and tail helps to fly. Fifth question, why do birds make nest? Answer, birds make nest to lay eggs and to protect them and their young ones, that is babies, from enemies and bad weather. Now here comes next exercise, fill in the blanks. Eagles have sharp beak to tear flesh. Second, hens have strong legs to scratch the ground. Third, down feathers keep a bird warm. Fourth, a cuckoo does not build its own nest. Next exercise, circle the odd one. First one, penguin. Second, horn. Third, ice cream. And for fourth is cuckoo. Name the following birds. First, a bird with a sharp and hooked beak. Eagle. A bird that cannot fly. Kiwi. Third, a bird with webbed feet. Duck. Fourth, an excellent glider. Eagle. Fifth, a bird which builds its nest on the ground. Penguin.